Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix overheating problem in iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version and now your iPhone is heating, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that you are using the latest version of iOS 18. So guys, if it is iOS 18 but you have not updated it to the iOS 18.1, then you have to simply update it to the iOS 18.1. So guys, for that you have to open settings and you have to tap on general and then tap on software update, and here you can see this iOS 18.1 is available. So I simply update it, and after this give a force restart to your device for one time as well. So for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply make it sure that there are no useless apps in your iPhone. So guys, if you are having a lot of apps and there are many useless apps, you have to simply remove them and delete them. So I do this, and the next thing you have to do is that you have to simply delete all the useless data from your iPhone as well. So I delete all the useless data and all the useless apps from your iPhone, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.